Heat wave is a burning issue in Seoul. The Ministry of Environment and Korea Meteorological Administration made the 2014 Climate Change Assessment Report, which claimed that in Seoul, from 2001 to 2010, 7 in every 1 million people died annually because of heat waves. In addition, the report predicted that the number will increase to 15 in every 1 million people in 2040 and the temperature will increase 2 degrees. In fact, in 2016, Seoul issued 41 extreme heat wave days and 170 patients needed medical treatments due to the heat. From 2000 to 2007, the total mortality in Seoul increased 8.4% during heat waves, compared with non-heat wave days. Moreover, it is expected that the frequency, number of days, intensity of heat waves will increase because of climate change. Seoul has been taking lots of actions to make the city less vulnerable to heat waves. The following sections will mention 2 relevant actions which might be feasible in Sydney. Cheonggyecheon was a river covered by a concrete highway located in the center of Seoul. However, during 1980s, the industries started to move from the center to the outskirt of Seoul, causing the highway became less and less useful. Considering health risks and air pollution, in 1990s, a small group of academics and environmentalists started to come up with the idea of Cheonggyecheon Restoration Project, which made Cheonggyecheon become back to a river again. The project was widely accepted by the public and the Seoul metropolitan government only took 3 years, from 2003 to 2005, to complete the project. Now, with various creatures and artworks, Cheonggyecheon has become one of the most popular public recreation spaces in Seoul. In fact, about 10 million Koreans visited the river during the first 3 months after the project was finished. The reconstruction does make Seoul become a cooler city. Before the reconstruction, the temperature of Cheonggyecheon was 5 or more degrees than the average temperature of Seoul. After the reconstruction, the temperature of Cheonggyecheon significantly decreased by 0.1 to 3.7 degrees compared with nearby areas. Therefore, it can be concluded that providing open water area in a city can decrease the temperature, making a city to be less vulnerable to heat waves. According to Environmental Action 2016 to 2020, Sydney has created rain gardens in streets and parks to reduce stormwater pollution and to provide water for plants. However, the water filtered by rain gardens is not exposed but directly flow into a sewerage system. Instead of applying traditional pipes, making sewerage exposed in some parks and streets can further cool down the city, causing the rain garden project more effective to reduce the urban heat island effect. Cooling down the city is a short-term approach to face heat waves. Only reducing energy consumption and apply renewable energy is the direct approach to mitigate climate change. One less nuclear power plant is a project which Seoul metropolitan government aims to increase the Seoul's power self-sufficiency in order to respond to global energy crisis and climate change. It comprises 3 main methods: energy production, energy efficiency, and energy savings. The goal is to save 2 million tonnes of oil equivalent of energy, which is equal to the output of 1 nuclear power plant in 1 year. Seoul metropolitan government has successfully reached that goal in June 2014 and achieved 6 months earlier than originally planned date. The majority of saved energy is from the effort of civic participation. Eco-mileage is a successful and effective program and encourage civic to participate in energy saving. Thanks to Eco-mileage program, Seoul took 2nd place of fostering participation in public policy decision-making through innovative mechanisms in the UN Public Service Awards in 2013. The idea of eco-mileage is similar to credit card. However, to get the point for eco-mileage, card holders should earn it by saving not buying. When people use electricity less than last quarter, they can get points according to the percentage of energy saving. Also, as people purchase Korea eco-labeled products, they can earn some points. Eco money can be used for public transportation, public facilities, food, and Korea eco-labeled products for free or at a discounted price. Civic participation is essential to energy saving. In fact, from 2011 to June 2014, the amount of energy saved by civic participation was 78,000 tonnes of oil equivalent, which was 38% of total energy saved from 1 less nuclear power plant project. It seems in Sydney there is no such program like eco-mileage. Actually, it is not difficult to promote such program. People can get points from buying eco-friendly products or doing energy-saving behaviors. In addition, Eco money can be saved in Opal Card to make cardholders easy to use for public transportation, thereby encouraging people to take public transportation. Eco money can also be saved in existing reward cards, such as Flybuys card and Woolworths rewards, to make people get rewards from supermarkets. Since Coles and Woolworths have shown their will of protecting environment by claiming to eliminate single-use bags, it should not be an issue. Eventually, eco-mileage program not only encourage people to reduce energy consumption but also make people get used to the energy-saving behaviors.